Hey guys, it's Miss Ross, and I'm here for our 5 o'clock Friday read aloud. And today we are reading Never Mail an Elephant by Mike Thaler, illustrated by Jerry Smith. One day, I decided to mail my cousin Dilly an elephant for her birthday. So I went to the stationery store and got lots of wrapping paper. Then I went to the hardware store and got a big ball of string. Next, I emptied my piggy bank and went to the post office to get lots of stamps. Then I went to the zoo and got an elephant. I covered the elephant with wrapping paper, wound it round with string, and tied a bow. Then I addressed it. The elephant giggled because it tickled. I let my dog Lucky lick the stamps. Then I pasted them on. Lucky's tongue stuck to the floor, but I pulled him loose. Then we put the elephant on my wagon and pulled it to the corner mailbox. Then I pushed and shoved and stuffed the elephant in. As I headed home, I met the mailman and told him about the elephant. The mailman went to the mailbox and opened the door. Then he pulled and tugged and yanked the elephant out. Then he wrestled it onto his cart and putted slowly to the post office. The postmaster put the elephant on the scale. Then he stamped it. The elephant went wild. Its legs shot out from the wrapping paper. It jumped into the air, crashed through the wall, and ran all the way back to my house. Since Dilly's birthday was that afternoon, I did the best next thing that I could do. I just tied a pink ribbon around the elephant. Then Lucky and I climbed on top and rode it next door to her party. And she said, "That's just what I wanted." Happy birthday. So again, guys, that was Never Mail an Elephant by Michael Thaler.